Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 1. I am really excited you are here. Today we are going to answer one simple question. What's a Python? And by the end of this lesson, you will actually write your very first Python program. There is no experience needed if you have never written a single line of code in your life. Perfect. This is made for you. We will cover three things today: what a program, what Python, and then you'll write your first code. Let's go! Before we talk about Python, we need to understand what is a computer program. Think of it like a recipe. When you follow a recipe, you have steps. Step 1, boil water. Steps 2, add pasta. You follow them one by one, right? A computer program is exactly the same. You write a list of steps and the computer follows them exactly as you wrote them. It never skips, it never guesses. If you wrote something wrong, it will do it wrong. Look at the right side. This is a real Python program. It says print boil the water, print add the pasta. Those are just steps. A program is just a list of steps. So now you understand what a program is. But how do you actually talk to computer? Imagine you want to give instructions to someone from another country. You can't just speak your language. You need a language you both understand. That's called a common language. Python is exactly that. It's the common language between you and the computer. Look at this. You have an idea. For example, I want to add numbers together. You write it in Python. Python translates it into the steps the computer understands and the computer executes it millions of times per second. By the way, Python was created in 1991 by a guy named Guido van Rossum. His one goal was to make it read like plain English, and he succeeded. And you might be wondering, why Python? Why not C++ or Java? Great question. Let me show you something. Look at this code on the left. This is a C++, another programming language. And to do something really simple, just print two numbers added together. You need 6 lines, curly braces, semicolons, where words like int and printf. It's confusing, yes? Even for experienced people. Now, look at Python. 3 lines. X equals 5, y equals 10, print x plus y. You can almost read it like English. It's like learning to drive. You wouldn't start with a Formula One racing car. You start with a simple automatic car. Python is that simple car. Once you know Python, you can learn any other language much faster. Now, so Python is not just a toy for beginners. Look at who uses it. Google, their search engine and AI systems run on Python. Netflix, when Netflix recommends you a movie, that's Python. NASA, space research and rocket calculations. Instagram, the whole photo platform. Spotify, the music recommendations you get every week. So, when you learn Python, you are learning the same language used by some of the biggest companies in the world. You are in good company. And last box, you are starting your journey right now. Okay, This is the moment you've been waiting for. Let's write actual code. Your very first Python command is called print. Think of it like a loudspeaker. You give it a message and it broadcasts that message on the screen. Here is how it works. 5 steps. Look at the left side. Step 1. Type the word print. Lowercase, always lowercase. Step 2. Open parentheses. Step 3. Write your message inside quotes. And step 4. Close the parentheses. And step 5. Press enter. Let me type it live for you in VS Code. So, look, I type print, the command print, and after then I open parentheses and the closing parentheses, and into parentheses I type a quote, and into quote I type my message, hello world. After then, and another message with common print. I type my name is Alice, and after then another message with print I am learning Python. And when I run this code, see, boom, there is a message. Hello world, my name is Alice, I am learning Python. And see, every time I run this, it shows the message on the screen. And try it yourself. Write print hello world and run it. That's your first program. You must pause this video, and when you typed a code and run it, notice the quotes, super important. They tell Python this is a text message, not a command. And next, a really useful trick. You see these hashtag symbols, yes? When you put it in front of text in Python, Python completely ignores everything after it. These are called commands. They run nodes for you, not for the computer. Like writing in the margin of a recipe. Watch. For example, in VS Code, before print hello world, I typed a hashtag, and this line is a command. Python ignores it. And when I run this code, nothing. And the commands show as a green lines. Only the blue code actually runs, yes? Why use commands? Because in 2 weeks, when you look at old code, you will have no idea what you wrote. Commands help you remember. Always write commands. It's a professional's habit. And here's something cool. Python can also do math, yes? Think of it as a super powerful calculator. You already know plus and minus. In Python, multiplication uses the asterisks and division uses the slash. But there are 2 special operators that are new. The first, it's a double slash, gives you only the whole number, no decimal. So 10 divided by 3 with double slash gives you 3, not 3.33. Percent gives you the remainder. 10 divided by 3, the remainder is 1. And double asterisks is for power. 2 to the power 8 is equal to 256. And try typing print 2 plus 2. You will get 4. Simple as that. And before you go to practice, I want to show you 4 most common mistakes that every single beginner makes. And I mean every beginner, even professional programmers make these sometimes. Mistake 1. Capital letter. If you write print with a capital P, Python gives you an error. Python is case sensitive. Always write it as a print, lowercase. For example, just now I show for you, I changed the P into capital P and see, I run. Oh, it shows me an error. And mistake 2, missing closing parenthesis. Every time you open a bracket, you must close it. Think of it like a door. If you open it, you must close it. Yes? For example, just now in my code, I delete parenthesis, C, and run. Oh no, it shows in terminal error. And mistake 3, forgetting the quotes. If you write print hello world without quotes, Python thinks hello is a variable, not a message. It will crash. For example, I delete both quotes in hello world, and when I run my code, there are an error in terminal. See? Yes. When you get an error, don't panic. Just check these things first. Okay, now it's your turn. There are 3 exercises for you. Exercise 1. It's very easy for you, I think. Write a program that prints your name. For example, prints your name and I am learning Python. Yes? Exercise 2. It's also easy. Write a program that prints the results of 5 different math operations. Use plus, minus, multiply, divide, and one of the special ones. Exercise 3. It's a medium. Take your code from exercises 1 and add at least 3 commands explaining what each line does. You can open any Python editor, for example, VS Code, IDLE, or Replit, anything, just start typing. You will make mistakes. That's the whole point. That's how you learn. And amazing job today. Let's quickly recap what you learned in this lesson. For example, 1. What a program is. A list of steps the computer follows exactly. And that second, what Python is. The common language between you and the computer. And after that, the third, why Python? Because it's a simple, readable, and used everywhere. The step 4, the print command, your first command. And the step 5, commands with hashtags, notes for you ignored by Python. And the 6, basic math. Python is a super calculator. 6 things in a few minutes. You just took your first step into programming. Every expert programmer started exactly where you are right now. In the next lesson, we will learn about variables, how to store and remember data. See you there. Bye.